Para sa'yo, Kisses, at 17, I'm right?
Yeah,
It's
I am 17.
Ano yung konsepto mo ng kagandahan? What is beauty?
Beauty is someone who knows that she is imperfect.
Lovely.
Nagsasabi that pwede daw that you want to join mga beauty contest like mga Bilibili. Are you going to push through with that career or focus ka sa acting?
I would like to pursue that when I finish my school. So not anytime soon, but I will.
Maliit pa ako. Siyempre, I love Miss Universe, but let's see. I'm so excited to learn and just explore. Kasi I feel like beauty pageants are more about showing what you can do as a woman, and I want to do that first before joining a beauty pageant. I want to make something of myself so that my country will be proud of me when I do represent my country. What I can say to them, well, first, I want to give them a hug because I know what it feels like to have insecurities. They are very strong people because the hardest thing is to look in the mirror and be sad about how you look like. But the most important thing is how you get up. So thank you for being sensitive. That's normal, but it's how you get up that matters most. And you are beautiful, you are appreciated, you are important. Thank you. Hello, Universe. My name is Kristen Daniel Gallup.